In this video, I'll guide you through how to link connect Stripe to Dubsado. If you use Dubsado to manage your clients and send invoices, connecting your Stripe account allows you to accept secure credit card payments directly through those invoices. It's a convenient way to streamline your payment process and make it easier for clients to pay you online. The setup only takes a few minutes and is completed through your Dubsado settings. Keep in mind that the appearance of the interface may vary slightly depending on updates to Dubsado or Stripe, but the overall process remains very similar. To get started, sign into your Dubsado account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. From the home screen, click the gear icon in the top right corner to open your account settings. Once the settings page opens, look at the menu on the left and select Payments and Invoices. In this section, locate the Payment Settings area. Before connecting Stripe, you'll first need to choose your country and then select the currency you want to use for your business. After making those selections, click Continue to move to the available payment methods. Next, look for the option labeled Dubsado Payments powered by Stripe and click the green Get Started button. This will open the Stripe sign-in page in your browser. On the Stripe page, sign in using the email address and password associated with your Stripe account. Be sure to use your Stripe login credentials rather than your Dubsado account information. For your privacy and security, avoid sharing your login details while recording your screen or with anyone else. After signing in, Stripe may ask whether you'd like to connect an existing business that's already associated with your Stripe account or create a new business profile. Select the option that matches your situation and continue. Next, Stripe will ask you to provide several business details, such as your industry, website, and a brief description of your products or services. Complete the requested information, then continue to the review page. Carefully review all of the business information you've entered to make sure everything is accurate. Once you're satisfied, click Agree and Submit to finish the setup. After a few moments, you'll be redirected back to Dubsado. Once the page refreshes, your Stripe account should now be connected successfully. From this point forward, your clients will be able to pay your Dubsado invoices using a credit card through Stripe. As a final note, if your screen looks a little different, that's completely normal. Dubsado and Stripe occasionally update their interfaces, so some buttons or menus may appear slightly different, while the overall process stays the same.